I pay my respectful homage to the heroic memory of our 20 Jawans, 20 martyrs who sacrificed their precious life when they are on duty to protect the territorial integrity of our motherland. They were brutally murdered by the Chinese army while our Jawans were under the impression that Chinese are on the way of retreat. They are now in the process of disengagement. So in a way, it is a cheating. It's a betrayal. This murder took place in a place called Galvin Valley. It was never a point of dispute, even though in the Ladakh area there are more than a dozen disputed area between Indian Army and Pakistan in Chinese Army. Galvin Valley was never a disputed area. It was always part and parcel of India. It was Indian territory. China never questioned the sovereignty of India in Galvin Valley. In the whole country, especially the government, was in a celebratory mood after this much published successful summit between Chinese President and the Prime Minister. After that, within a few months, this treachery happened. There was a clear betrayal on the part of China. Even after killing 20 of our brave soldiers and causing injury to dozens of our soldiers, still a portion of the Chinese army is in Galvin Valley, and their constructions are still there. Along with that, Chinese army encroached sizable portion of our Indian land in the Pangong Lake area. They have encroached up to finger number 4 in the Galvin Valley, in this Pangong Lake. That means they have encroached nearly 8 to 10 kilometers of Indian territory. The hot spring also they are there. So when Chinese army was still in Galvin Valley, Pangong Lake and hot spring, our Prime Minister declared in our party meeting that no outsider is in the Indian territory. That statement created great embarrassment to the Indian government, Indian people, and our armed forces. Chinese are also fortifying their positions in Pangong Lake area. We demand, not only the Congress, the entire nation demands that Chinese must vacate all the encroached land. Chinese must vacate from Galvin Valley, from Pangong Lake area, and also from Hot Spring. If you want to restore peace and tranquility in India-China border, Chinese army must vacate from all these 3 areas, and they must remove all the construction from this area. only solution at the moment is status quo ante. That means Chinese army must go back to the original position as on middle of April from Galwan Valley, Pangong Lake and Hot Spring area. Along with the entire Indian people, Congress party also demands that government must use all resources in their hands, military, diplomatic, political level, use all together and see that Chinese army are vacated from their positions and status quo and is restored. And government must give more support to the army in this critical time. Not only moral support or political support, if they want more weapons, equipments, government must, on an emergency basis, procure them and give the armed forces. We are demanding this as early as possible. Status quo ante should be restored. For restoration of status quo ante, we are with the government and we will fully support the army in all their efforts to recapture or compel the Chinese from vacating the engaged area. And we salute the entire Indian army and we pay homage to the martyrs who sacrificed their precious life to protect the sovereignty and integrity of our country.